make some. Hey guys, it's Esosa here. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cake in 1 minute. In a mug, I will add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of liquid milk, 1 tablespoon of melted butter. I use salted butter for this recipe. You can use unsalted butter if you want. Give that a good mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add some sprinkles as well, and so in 2 cups I will add sprinkles, and in the 3rd cup I'm going to add chocolate chips. Okay, give that a good mix. Transfer into a microwave for 1 minute. You guys, 1 minute. After 1 minute guys, my mug cake is ready. Absolutely delicious, looks yummy, tasted amazing. This right here is a must try. Okay, you definitely need to try this out. See, you don't have to have an oven for you to bake. Okay, you can use stove, you can use microwave as well. Trust me when I tell you, it tastes really good. Okay, your kids are definitely gonna love it. You should try this recipe sometime. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share my videos. Okay, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for doing that. Bye.